Check, check. Microphone's good. Welcome back to Crypto Lodge. Thank you guys for subscribing lately. Numbers going up pretty quickly. So if you're not subscribed, you're just tuning in, watching this later. That's the only currency here on YouTube is subscribers. So if you like the content, and I post all kinds of content, I live stream all the time. Been making videos about coins that have gone up a lot. So all the people in Crypto Lodge group over here on Telegram, t.me/thecryptolodge. You should join it, t.me/thecryptolodge. We're all pretty happy because we bought some good coins. We're just going to take a look at the markets, and if anyone jumps in and suggests any coins, we'll be looking them up. It looks like we have somebody. He said, yo, respect for my bro. I can't really make out his name. Respect you too. Hit thumbs up. That would help a lot. Hit thumbs up. That would help a lot. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. We're going to take a look at some of the gems. Or let's look at ETH and Ethereum, Bitcoin and see what they're doing first. That should be off FMX. Let's get Coinbase chart. There we go. So we touched 4,000, almost 4,500. Been trending down. For the past 23 hours. Just a 4% loss in 23 hours. Let's get off the minute. Look at the 4-hour chart. There you go. That takes away all the noise. And we're about to hit a new all-time high, most likely today. The way the market's looking. Militant. Am I saying that right? Militant? So there's Ethereum. Looks pretty good. Great chance of breaking a new all-time high today. Once Ethereum breaks 4,500, it's probably not going to stop for a little bit. Let's see how far extended it is from the bull market support band, because that's pretty important. Not as far as extended as it was at the peak of March. Let's see. Let's start at the bottom here. Go up to current price. We are 41% above the bull market support. That's way higher than we were all throughout. It's almost the same as we were here in February. And then we went well over. Actually, that was this is 65% over the bull market support band. And we're only 40 right now. So this could be just the beginning. Where's 40? Probably about right here. There's 50, this is 56 above the bull market support band, which tells you if it's overvalued or not. 56%, and we're only at 40 right now up here. That's only 40%. So let's see what it was back here. Let's check a couple spots. Like right here, it was 133% over the bull market support band. Oh boy, right here it was 78% above the bull market support band. And right here at the peak in March or May, can't even see it, we were 122% over the bull market support band. So we can, let's pan that out here, 122% above the bull market support band would be almost $7,000 Ethereum. That's actually the target that I've had in my head, $7,000. So I could see something play out sort of like this. Let me get rid of all these. Grab a bars pattern. Oh, glad I'm saying your name right, Militon. What Militon said, what do you think about all meta pumps like crazy? Should we take them all? No, I would stand back. Just my opinion. I've never seen anything cool going on inside Decentraland or Sandbox. I don't think their I think the metaverse is going to be great, but Decentraland and Sandbox, they're not, the graphics are not good enough. I mean, that doesn't mean they can't improve. But the most exciting thing that happens that I know about in Decentraland is the Atari casino parties, which are lame. So, all right, let's grab a bar pattern from when the bull market actually started. Got that first bounce off of the bull market support. Went on a tear. We already started that, so let's line it up with that bounce. It bounced right here. And what do you know? It's almost up to 1,000. But you do have to shrink and contract these things. Nothing plays out the same. If you want to say that it should start like there, that puts us right up, 6,500. If it's gonna look like, it looks like we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks ahead of the bounce. So let's see. I mean, this was really the bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So let's take from here. I mean, to follow it, it's going to be a little difficult. I wish bar patterns showed bars. So let's start it where it actually started. Boom, right there. And that takes us. Everything's pointing to 6,500 to 7,000 for Ethereum by February. Probably sooner. What's up, Jam? How you doing? I'm just showing how Ethereum is likely to hit $7,000 this by February. And I'm even underestimating by putting this down. Because if it were to run like it did here, it would look something like this, putting us at almost $8,000, which is over 100% from where we are. That would be a 85% gain in 133 days. I think Ethereum's going to move faster than that, honestly. We might get there you know, by February, I think we'll get there. We might get there a lot faster. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Just figured I'd do a live stream this morning. A couple of the picks I made videos about are absolutely exploding. I want to do the same analysis I just did for Ethereum over on Bitcoin, because we know it leads the market for now. So how far did it come over the bull market support band? Here it came up 62% over the bull market support band. Here it came up 142% above the bull market support band. And here, let's get rid of it. Hold on. All right. Looks like at its peak, it was up 117. That's not as high as 141. So it looks like 141 was the highest. And what are we now? Above the support band. 35. So let's go to 141. All right, let's go to 141% above the bull market support band, because we know Bitcoin can do it. 141 puts us at $109,000. And it's probably just going to take a couple months, in my opinion. So if we were to get as extended over the bull market support band as we were right here, let's delete this one and delete this one. This is 141% above the bull market support band where the price was, and this is 140%, 41% above the bull market support band, and that puts us at a $109,000 Bitcoin. All right. What do you think about how down will Phantom go? Nowhere is the dip, and how much can go up? I think Phantom is going to be I mean, I can't tell you how far it's going to dip, but I am personally buying all the Phantom altcoins as it dips, because if you look at the charts, these great Phantom altcoins, when Phantom goes down a little bit, these altcoins go down a lot. Jam Nafu said gaming coins going crazy. That's true. Can I check out Baby Swap when I get a chance? Yes. I did the airdrop for that. Am I logged in? Yeah. I did the airdrop for this. It should say participated. Awaiting results. Okay. Is this the one you're talking about, Jam? Jam, you're up 100% in Cube already. Good man. Good man. I put $20 into T-Share. Not the actual. I bought Shiba RIP. Phantom Dog. I made a video about that. You might have saw it. And also T-Share is up another 38% today. Look at this. I put $20 in T-Share. Feels like yesterday, and now it's over $500. T-Share's up 696% in the last 10 days. And it just does not stop. It gets these little pullbacks, but then just continues up. Up another 1% in the hour. 1,392% in the month. Think about that. And when they say year, they mean since inception. So it started, wow, a while back. Let's go to the day, 7 days. Reset chart. So it goes, wow, look at that price it hit when it launched. All right, ignore that noise. But it's been around since May 2021. Almost June, May 28th, 2021. So since then, it went up 119,000. T-Share is part of Tomb Finance. And Tomb is down probably. But for some reason, T-Share just never goes down. Only briefly. Yeah, Tomb's down. Tomb's only down a little bit. Tomb is a great pick. It's up 183% in the month. It's like Aave. Or even better than Aave on Phantom. Jam, where can I buy T-shares? Go to kek.tools, kek.tools. Type in T-share. And you got to make sure you're picking the right one. It'll be the first result here. And then you come over here to click buy. It'll take you to Spooky Swap. And you can do the swap there. You can swap anything. That's, you don't have to swap Ethereum. I mean, you don't have to swap Phantom. You could swap anything, and that'll get you more T-shares. And you'll only pay like 2 cents in fees. So it's pretty beautiful. You'll have to be on the Phantom mainnet. And speaking of Spooky Swap, Boo, Spooky Swap's token is down 5% today. It was worse. Oh no, it was a little worse. It was worse, a little bit. But that's a good dip to buy on a coin that just wants to keep going up. These are the 7-day charts, candles. Hold on, let's go to the day. All right, yeah, there we go. That is a 23% dip on Boo, which is an ecosystem that is definitely going to keep growing. So if you bought it now, in my opinion, once it breaks a new all-time high, which it will, you're up 33% very quickly. It could go up 33% tomorrow if Phantom makes a little kickback. And can we even call Phantom crashed? Because when my first video about Phantom was at 23 cents. But yeah, look at how far the week went up. I can't believe we touched 350. But now we're back down to 272. This is business as usual for Phantom. Let's go to, I mean, even if you ignore all indicators, if you just look at these buy and sell indicators, I guess it won't do it on the week. But on the day, nothing but, it has never said sell. It said buy back at 18 cents, this indicator, and has never seen a reason in its algorithm to ever give a sell signal. So I like this indicator. It's a Lux algo indicator. So this is a good dip to buy in my opinion. Phantom, especially the Phantom alts that are down a lot, like AnySwap and ICE, Popsicle Finance. This is a great dip just to get back. I mean, this is on an uptrend. This is not going to stop. It's a growing ecosystem. Just to get back to the price, just to get back to a new all-time high is 53% gains, which could happen tomorrow, like I said, if Phantom wants to correct itself back up to even $3. This will go up 22% tomorrow. So ICE, that's Popsicle Finance, popsicle.finance. It's pretty cool. Multi-chain yield optimizer. You can provide liquidity and earn money. All pools are currently locked until further notice. Please head to our Discord for questions. I think they might have got hacked. Which, in that case, it's a great time to buy. That explains why it's down a lot. Let's see. Popsicle Finance hacked. Hacked in this. Okay, this was from August 4th. Got 20 million, including a combined 10 million in USDC. Hacked for 25 August 4th, August 10th, August 4th. So nothing recent, right? This is 1 day ago. No, there's no reason. Why is it locked up? $17 hours ago, Popsicle Finance to repay victims of 20. Oh, that's great. They're repaying the people who lost the money. Great. 17 hours ago. So that's cool. They're repaying. Jam said, can I send Hex from Atomic Wallet to Metamask to stake Hex? Yes, you can do that. What do you think about Block? How far can it pump? I don't know. I really don't know. Block has really surprised me. It came on to KuCoin, pumped like crazy, and then just kept pumping like crazy. Let's take a look at that chart. That is Blocktopia. Nothing but net. Look at this. I don't know why it's pumping so much, man. I really don't. It is it's only 32% above its bull market support band. It was 49 back there. Let's look at it on a longer time frame here to 1 day. Wow, the daily looks great. Look at this. It's just not stopping, is it? I don't know how far this thing can go. It must be a game. Yeah, I bought a little block today just because it keeps going up. So I bought a little block on KuCoin this morning, just a very small amount, just to see what it looks like in a couple of months. Blocktopia skyscraper. Entering Blocktopia. T-Zones avatar. Reblock. Token utility, tokenomics. Okay, intro. Let's find a little Blocktopia. From the main site, the main trailer. 3 minutes long, 11 minutes long. This was 3 weeks ago, so here we go. Hold on, I gotta change the audio to my computer. Alright. If you guys can't hear it, let me know.
Hello everyone, this is Paddy, Chief Marketing Officer and co-founder of Blocktopia. So I'm really excited to be able to take you on a little bit of a tour around level 1 of our metaverse today. So first of all, your avatar will spawn outside of Blocktopia. That's already been seen in our trailer. This is now the entrance into our metaverse. So immediately straight ahead, you can see a map that you'll be able to walk up to and interact with. This will show you where you are currently and then allow you to view other floors and get a really good picture of where to navigate to. And here we see an advertising totem. So major global brands outside of the world of crypto will be able to advertise here. And each of our virtual stores on level 1 have major crypto brands as tenants. So you'll be able to enter any of these stores and have immersive brand experiences. You can see...
GM Nafu just said, I think HBAR and XRP will blow up. I don't know about XRP. It's already a very large market cap. They talk about use cases, but they're really secret. And what Ripple did to its holders is just wrong. HBAR. I did not realize that HBAR was... I thought HBAR was a top 10 coin. But turns out it's like only 200 million in market cap. So it has a lot of room to grow. But did you know that HBAR is not really a blockchain? It's centralized 100%. Let's get on with this video here. What's up, Midra Pearl? Any coins you want us to look at?
Block party here, so this is our free to spin
right now, and it looks beautiful. I can see why it's pumping.
Game which gives anyone a daily chance to win some block, our native token, which will be crucial within Blocktopia. And to the left you can also see our Lamborghini. So every day people will also get an opportunity to enter the prize draw for a Lamborghini. We'll actually be giving away a real Lamborghini to one lucky user.
Now, can you get in that Lamborghini and drive it around Blocktopia yet? Is this becoming like GTA? This is what we need. A coin like that. A world like that. Like crypto GTA. Which is probably the next version of GTA. Rockstar's probably all over a token. Coming soon, probably. Jow Risky, how about Meta? Facebook. Everybody's asking about that. Everyone's asking about that. Let me put this on a higher speed. We'll finish this and then we'll look at Meta.
It's worth remembering there'll be 21 floors within Blocktopia. We're just looking at level 1 here, which includes Jake Paul's store. So there'll be merchandise, NFT sales there. It's a really good example of the fact that brands or people that aren't strictly known for being just in the crypto space can still...
Anna Monica, Jake Paul. Sounds like Atari all over again.
Still share content or drive revenue within Blocktopia. The team have done a great job. This is all in-game footage. This is BitBoy shop here. If we scroll up and have a little look up here, we can see some highlights for the auditorium agenda. The
BitBoy Crypto's backing it. That's another reason it's pumping.
Will be up on the 6th floor, so lots of key talks will be taking place there. Block will be the native token within Blocktopia, so Block will allow people to purchase items within our world. Initially, it'll be used to purchase NFTs too, so this will be sold for real estate, reblock and advertising space, ad block in Blocktopia. Both will generate incomes from advertisers and rental fees, so that means that all NFTs...
And you can get Lamborghinis and hopefully drive them around and shit. I see why Blocktopia is pumping. I might put some more money into it. But let's look at the metaverse. Is that even a token? Or would you just have to buy Facebook stock? Facebook stock is extremely undervalued in my opinion because they are going full crypto. They're doing NFTs very soon. They're doing stable coins very soon with Diem. Everything will be crypto on Facebook very soon. It's a plan they have. What was I? Meta. Coin market cap. Is Meta a coin? Facebook. Meta. Crypto. Facebook steals another crypto idea for its nonsensical rebrand. How Facebook's name changed to Meta could mask its crypto ambitions. Facebook rebrand. Is Facebook calling itself Meta now? Metaverse tokens soar following Facebook's rebrand. So Facebook calls itself Meta now? I really don't believe that. I don't even see the word Meta anywhere, and it still says Facebook up here. Maybe it doesn't take effect for a little bit. Mike Does is always saying watch QNT. I got a bunch of Baby Harmony too. I only earned like half of a Harmony 1 token so far. Let's look at Quant. I don't know how to look at Metaverse, guys, at Meta, because Facebook didn't release a token. So there is no Meta token. It's just that all the Metaverses tokens are going up because Facebook's getting into that game. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me look up Ontology and then Vetter token. Everyone hit thumbs up if you didn't. Subscribe and hit the bell notification for to know when I go live. Get a notification when I go live. Block, I don't know what to say about it. It's just pumping. Let's go look at the 15. It just keeps pumping. It doesn't stop. And I got money in it now, so I'm happy about that. I'm always a hater when I don't have money in a coin that's pumping. Is that price discovery? Or no? Can't be. Yeah, that's price discovery. I don't know where it will end up. Let's look at the market cap for Block. It's got to be pretty huge by now. Mind said, wait till next year. There will be a crisis in America. The whole system is about to be changed. I agree. Let's look at Quant. Blocktopia's market cap is over half a billion. Self-reported. It's not verified. Let's look at Quant. What is with this coin? It says here Quant is $285. What are you talking about? The pump incoming. What makes you say that? You might be right though. This pump was 132% in 7 days. So if we do that again, another 132%. Delete that. Got to take into account reduced gains due to, but if you're saying we're ready to pump like this again, to like that. That would put Quant up to over $500 pretty soon. Oh, I'm looking at Quant. Okay. Wow. It is down. It's down 65% in 178 days. And even from the bottom here, when it had some signs of life, it went up 135% in 47 days. You think $1.03 incoming? That's not much of a jump. We were at $1.31 right there. Yeah, it's your canary. You've been a subscriber to this channel longer than most people, and you've always said that you watch Quant, and what, after Quant pumps, Bitcoin pumps? Is that how it works in your opinion? You've always been saying something like this. After ONT falls back down, the others get their pump. Oh, it fell down, man. Oh, so Quant's gonna, so Ontology's gonna pump, and then it's gonna dump, and then all the other coins are gonna pump. Is that what you're saying? What is Ontology's market cap? I think it's quite high. No, it's ranked number 107. Almost $1 billion. It's bigger than Blocktopia. It's on Binance Smart Chain, so you can buy it quite cheap. It's on 137,000 people's watch lists. It's up 6.5% today. It's audited by Certic. Near Protocol, Polkadot ecosystem, Phantom ecosystem, Binance Smart Chain, and it's all about identity. It's up more against Ethereum and BTC than it is against USD. That's a good sign. Volume's up 15% today. Circulating supply is 88%. I like that. What's up, Adada? How you been? Hit that thumbs up. Get more people in here. It is alt season, baby. Look at this pump. Look at this pump from Ontology. Where is that on the chart? Oh, I'm on the week. Let's get on the minute. All right. So Ontology did just pump 15% in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now it's dumping down. ASM. Let me check out ASM. I've never heard of it. I'm pretty good at quick and Assemble Protocol. I'm bullish on Assemble Protocol. I can't believe it's up so much. The market cap is low. It's up almost 100% against Ethereum and Bitcoin. Volume's up almost 1,000%. Let's look at the 3-month chart. Was doing nothing. Then there was news of Binance, of Coinbase listing. And boom, it went up. Some people took their profits that bought back here and then hit Coinbase and exploded. I don't know. It's on an uptrend as we speak. So it could keep going up for a while. I'll tell you what, I wish I would have switched all my Jasmy on Coinbase over to Assemble Protocol last night, because actually I've been holding it for a week. Assemble Protocol is doing great. How is Jet? What were we looking at next? Oh, let's look at this chart on TradingView. That's the day. Reset chart. Come on. All right. Let's just try to zoom in on it here. Crazy gains for ASM. This only covers a couple days, but just in the past one day, it's up 115%. It was up. Look how far it did go up. It went up in 2 days. $171% in 2 days. Not even really. Less than 2 days. So ASM, let's see if I can find a longer one with longer history. Not BitThumb probably has it, but that's against the South Korean dollar. ASM, I guess this is the only place we're gonna get it is Coinbase, and that doesn't go back too far. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, that's a rocket ship on for the past couple of 3 days. Rocket ship. Let's see the entire gain from the bottom of the wick here to the top of the wick there. That was 185% in 3 days. I don't know if it's going to keep going up. What exactly? It's audited by Slow Mist. It's only on Ethereum, which I don't like about that. There is no source code. I don't like that. Only 50% of the coins are in circulation. I don't like that. It's higher than other projects, but I still don't like that. Assemble your points on the blockchain. Integrate your diversified points into a single asset, which you can manage with ease. What do you mean points? More than 2.35 million downloads. More than 500,000 members. Point usage. Oh, this is like, this is some Korean version of, whatchamacallit. There's another one that gives you discounts on purchasing from websites and stuff. It's an app. That's all this is. Roadmap for Q3 2020, Q4 point exchange pack. I don't know. I don't think this looks very cool. It's a shopping thing, and you collect points for shopping. StormX, that's the other one I was thinking of. StormX. It's pretty cool. All right. Yeah, a quarter of the market cap of Jasmy. Jasmy is 400 million. Yep, a quarter of the market cap of Jasmy. Mike does said, see, BTC is moving now, up $100. ALTS still up 5%, pump incoming. Good. Mind said Jasmine is going to be $1 at least, maybe higher. I agree. Jasmine is going to be. I'm holding. It's long hold. You should have bought it a couple weeks ago. Adada, I just sold my Jasmine at 13 cents per ASM. That might have been a smart move. Jasmine's kind of flattening out, but I expect it to pump in the long run. Nimic has bank charter, and all you need it to open the browser to mine it. Really? Nimic. You think Assemble Protocol has a lot more hype than Jasmine? Here's 4,000 on the 4,000 people have it on their watch lists. Let's check out Jasmine. 18,000 people have Jasmine on their watch list. I'd say Jasmine has more hype and more use case. It's up 24% today. Can't complain about that. It just had a nice pump. Look at that. My fiat balance just went up. Any other coins you guys want me to look at? I'll show you guys the gains on my, look at T-Share. I'm up like crazy on T-Share. I don't care if it's down 8% in the hour. It's up 1,385% in the month. 275% in the week, 32% today. It's up every day. Let's do a little measured move here. It went up. It's up 7,884% in the last 33 days. I bought it like right here 10 days ago. Yep, I'm up about 700% in 10 days. It really doesn't look like T-Share is stopping. But look at that initial price where it went all the way up. That is ridiculous. From where we are to up there. That's 14,000% to get back up there. But can T-Share do it? Sure. It's part of a great ecosystem. It's the Tomb Finance. And it just keeps going up. You get these pullbacks to DCAA, but it just keeps going up. I'm sure it'll stop someday. Looks like Geist went back up a little bit. Geist I locked up for 3 months for 2,000% APY. So I don't care what it does for a while. We'll see what happens in 3 months. AnySwap is at a killer discount. Killer discount because Phantom dropped. Just look at the big picture. Look at that drop. Let's even look at the bigger picture. Look at that drop right there. It's a sweet spot to buy. That's like buying right here. It might even drop a little lower, but it's going to go back up. And just to get back up to all-time high there is 29%. 30% just to get back up to all-time high. And AnySwap is, if you guys watch my channel at all, you know AnySwap is one of my favorite coins. I'm so bullish on. I think it's going to be a top 20 coin, and it's sitting at number 400 in market cap, 400 and something. Shiba went there. See, Shiba just went up 11% in the hour again. This shit is volatile, but it's going up like crazy. And this Shiba is called, well, you want to get the right Phantom address. You have to get that right or you'll be buying the wrong coin. If you want to buy that, I typed it into the chat. That's the address for Shiba. Phantom Shiba. ICE is also a great dip. It's back up 3% in the hour, but down 20% today and in the week. That's another one that's just been going up and up and up. And it's a great time to buy the dip, in my opinion. It started here. Boom. 1,517% in 40 days. Now, you'll make a quick 48% when it corrects back up, in my opinion. Because Popsicle Finance is not going anywhere. Neither is any of this. Let's look at missed out on Doge, Shiba, and SafeMoon. Let's not dwell on the past. It's the community spotlight over here at Keck. Phantom of the Doge, RIP, is here. The highest liquidity meme token on Phantom. It is the highest liquidity meme token on Phantom, and I own it. Had to buy some of this. I believe. I hope I did. Let me check. I'm on Smart Chain. We get on Phantom. Down 11% today. Yep, I got a bunch of rip. So this thing is down a lot, but up a lot. It's still up 270% in the week, if you can believe that. It took a nice tumble. So to get to a new all-time high would be 165%, which it'll pump up. It will. That's pretty wicked crash though, but it already came back up. $192% in what, a couple hours. 1 day and 8 hours. Actually, it came back up 300% in 12 hours and back down again. I'd say this is a good time to buy the dip on Phantom Doge, RIP. Just my 2 cents. My opinion. Let's see. T-share doing great. I showed you guys that already. Another 32% today. Let's see what the chat's saying. Vetter token. VETH? Can't be. No, that's VeChain Ether, probably. It's probably on, what is it, on BSC? It's called Baby Swap's breaking out. Let me check. Jim DeFu said Baby Swap breaking out. Is that on BSC? Must be. Let's go check PooCoin. There's PooCoin. So what is it? Baby Swap. The baby Coke token. This must not be the one because it's definitely not booming today. Huh. Let's look for baby swap on CoinMarketCap. Jam, do you happen to have the address, the token address? Baby. It's up 3% today. It's on Binance Smart Chain. Is this the one you're talking about? 32 million market cap. There's baby swap. Let's look at their liquidities. Nice multipliers. APR 126% baby USD. APR 128%. Baby BNB. Very cool. That's where you make some great money if you have the money to put in. There's some pools. 303% APR. Earn Qua. Stake Baby and Earn Qua. Earn Crush. Earn Pots. Earn Kine. So this is like staking for ICO to earn new tokens. Olive, ALTS, DSG. I haven't heard of any of these. I've never heard of Vetter. I gotta check that out. Vetter Crypto. Because it wasn't on CoinMarketCap. It showed me something else. VetterToken.ai. Reinventing crypto. Live on PancakeSwap. Get it. Here's the contract address. Punch that into PooCoin. And see what's happening. Vetter token. Think it'll blow up? It's been going down. We are going back up a little bit. Back up 21% in a day and a half. That's I don't know, man. That's a downtrend. It is a new token, though. It only launched on the 19th. I don't know how to call it, but I'd say if most definitely if the project is a success, which we'll look at the site in a moment, you're looking at least 200% gain if it becomes successful and people start buying it. I'm not sure what the market cap is currently. Vetter. I don't know why it's not on. Let's go to Vetter CoinGecko. There we go, Vetter. Up 10% today, up 13% against Bitcoin. $902 people like this on CoinGecko. One Vetter is 100 Vetter is 71 cents. In the past 30 days, 14 days, let's say, Okay, so it's only been around for 2 weeks. In the past 24 hours, it's done pretty great. If that keeps going, you're probably in for some great gains if you just hold on to this. Let's look at the website. It did say it was audited. Circulating supplies unknown. Maximum supply is 4 billion. Let's check out the website again. Jim Nafu said, I need the knowledge you know in crypto, lol. Well, I plan on making more videos about, best practices, how to confirm contract addresses, how to not lose money trading. Okay. Vetter. Wish they had a little video. There's different tiers, gives you the full dashboard, may post and view crypto pre-sales, robust video vault, view full Vetter analysis, know all rank details of each poster, can be compensated, can view Vetter trading club activity, signals. Tier 2. So this is an app that gives you info. Crypto Calendar helps identify the projects most likely to 2x to 100x based on poster history. Vetter makes crypto research fun with a proven use case. The DApp highlights projects worth researching by ranking the poster's performance, and in compensation, points, tipping, and a badass interface, and you have the best crypto research tool at your fingertips. I think that's cool. Can I try it? No, doesn't it let me try it? Is it even working yet? Or is it still in development? Where's roadmap? Rewarding those who increase the value of the token. We've directly attached our tokenomics and reward system to the value created on the platform. Vetter uses its tokenomics to reward contributors who make the platform more valuable to investors. This attracts new investors who use it as a consumer, which requires holding Vetter to gain access to its higher tier features, just like PooCoin. And PooCoin just exploded to access those features. Here's the roadmap. Phase 3. DApp beta onboarding. So it didn't even happen yet. They didn't release the platform yet. So you're buying a promise. But that's the time to buy if you think it's gonna blow up. Time to buy is now. Yeah, Vetter does look super useful. I would love to have access to those tools. How much does it cost? It just takes you to PancakeSwap. It doesn't tell you how okay, it says how many you need to hold. Where's the ranks? Tier 0. Tier 1. Where does it say how many you need to hold? Vetter's crowdsourcing model was beta tested thoroughly in the open market for 90 days prior to evolving into Vetter DApp. Here's a snapshot of results reported by real investors who used the research tool at Tribe 100x.
Hi, Robin Lynn here with Tribe 100X. And I gotta tell you right up front that the gains you're about to see below on this page that our members shared with us, we're living wants cited before our data members be trading information we are is simple. We're likely to search, leveraging an entire tribe and community who have eyes and ears everywhere. You'll see what I mean. I've got more videos for you controllable gains. You'll see people sharing. I'll see you soon.
At the bottom of the screen. Okay. Baby cake. We're already in that. So they're talking about baby cake. This college dropout just made $100,000 in 5 days. I joined this community 5 days ago, and the first investment I made was in a baby cake. I didn't get in on the pre-sale, but I got in on its first day of launch at 700,000 market cap. Put in 850 and woke up to this balance this morning, $27,000. So how is that 100K in 5 days? Oh, this was probably a couple days later. So they're talking about the coin we just talked about, baby cake. That's what we bought. There we go, baby cake. Right there, baby cake, $100,000. He joined Tribe 100X Discord, found baby cake in Discord next day, put in 850 worth of B&B in the baby cake, turned $850 into $102,000 in 5 days. What does it mean to rip or rip FT? This is all about baby cake right now. So this platform, Vetter, chose baby cake as a huge gainer, so that it might work. It might be worth the money to buy into. There's baby XRP. I've now taken a 2x profit for a total of $6,000. 2,045%, making 3,190 off 155. Then it 5x from there. Cool. Profit 2,000%. Cost $155 into 3,190 with baby XRP. So first they called baby XRP, made killer gains. Then they called baby swap, made killer gain. Baby cake made killer gains. And that's not what we have. We have baby swap. But now I'm writing down baby cake. Gotta love some baby cake. If you haven't already, guys, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. It helps me out here on YouTube. Any coin we want to look at. Yeah, these crypto names are hilarious, Jam. Any coins we want to look at. Let's check out Coinbase. See what's up, see what's down, see what's flat. Whole market's down 2.45%, yet Decentraland is up 86%. Is it showing signs of slowing down? Yeah. It's down 8% in the hour. Let's go to most visited. Basic attention token. It's up 35% today. It's been around for a long time. Basic attention token, and it took a hard dip. It was up all the way to $1.35. That must have been like a 70% gain, but now it's down 2% in the hour. From $1.35 to $1.12 pretty quickly. Volume increased 129% today. Price is down 10% in an hour. 7 days, 58%. How's Bounce doing? Oh, that's earn free crypto. I thumb up every video. Thank you, Jam. Watching the whole way through, even if you put it on mute when you watch my videos, helps me out with the algorithm. Let's look at top gainers. Also want to see the losers for dips. Jasmy's up 21% today, up to 12 cents. Very good. ARPA chain, Krill. I mean, people are happy that watch my channel because I just covered Krill and it's up. I just covered Jasmy and it's up. I was going to cover, I might have covered this Assemble Protocol. No, I did not. I did not. OMG's a sleeping giant. And Flow's a sleeping giant at only 500,000 market cap. Did you know Flow signed a deal with the NFL to do their NFTs? The NFL. And did you know HBAR is only not even $500 million in market cap? I thought it was billions. Really. Thought it was billions. Ethereum is 500 billion. So, and Flow, just this, Flow is responsible for CryptoKitties, Dr. Seuss NFTs, hockey NFTs, and now they're doing the NFL. 0x is a sleeping giant. Flat, and jump. This is the way that people with a lot of money, they're selecting the coins that they want. And they're not buying them all in the same day. They just buy a big chunk when it's down. And then you'll see a little sell-off from the people taking profit from that buy. Looks like ARPA popped up and back down. Let's look at the past change in the hour. See what's pumping as we speak. PlayDAP is up 34% this hour. Wow. It was up to $1.89. 34% in an hour, folks. PlayDAP. Phew. Market cap of $500 million. Ethereum tokens that powers PlayDAP, a blockchain gaming platform and non-fungible NFT marketplace. PLA acts as a primary token for processing transactions on PlayDAP. Game developers. I covered PlayDAP. I definitely covered PlayDAP. Yep, that's me right there. 2 months ago. 2 months ago, I called PlayDAP. PLA token. This is why you subscribe. So 2 months ago would be 8. It's 31 days, so it did dip after there's 54 days. That's about a month. It's up 72% since I made the video about it. 53 days. It was up 120% in 53 days. Boy, it's really volatile today. But it almost made it to its initial all-time high there. You see that? This is why you subscribe. Most of the coins I cover eventually start pumping. That has to change, that hourly now. Let's see what it's done now. Oh, 46% in the hour. Somebody really wants this coin. It's up 42% today. I mean, that's a huge spike. I probably wouldn't. I came back down a lot. I don't know. There's a lot of up 121% in 7 days. There's a lot of volume on this today. Let's refresh again on the hour. 37. Lost 10% in a second. GM Nafu said, what's going on with ADA? And do I have a helium miner? Adada, I did look at ASM. Did you walk away from the computer or something? I don't have a helium miner, Jam. Adada said, my question to you, how influential would you say Coinbase is at putting out their picks on crypto? It seems like everything they touch turns to gold. I think everything that Coinbase lists is I think you should try to figure out which coins they're gonna list and buy them before they list it. Obviously. But the extremely small cap coins that they've been introducing lately have been doing well. They have been doing really well. The one is 50 million market cap and it's on Coinbase. Let's see what the lowest tradable asset is in market cap. Some of them are not even reported. The lowest reported one is Krill, up 15% today with 4.2 million. And Krill, I made a video about it, is an Ethereum token that powers an automated trading strategies. So smart people can create trading strategies, and then people like the regular investors can just go put money into their trading strategies. And the people that create the strategies get a little reward, and you're getting like crazy APY on their strategies. So it's only 58 million market cap. Volume is hella down today, although the price is hella up today. So I don't know. If I were holding Krill, I would keep holding that shit. It's up another 2% in the hour. 1.3. Look how flat that is in the hour. That's pretty crazy. But in the day, week, month, it's all gravy. It's all gravy. Didn't do anything for a long time, and now it's finally picking up some momentum. I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't stop here and goes up to like $5 pretty quickly. Pretty quickly. All right. Can I check? Jim Nafu said, can I check Ginux? Sorry, on my TV over there where I read. It's all pixelated. I can't really see. I'm just going to copy and paste what you said. Coin market cap. Green Shiba. That must be up. Let's check it on PooCoin. It must be up. Look at this. This is what I like to see. Except for that massive red volume. But this shit is up 322% in 1 day and 12 hours. You think this is a pump and dump? It made it all the way up to, let's see, it's got a USD pair. Yep. There we go. So it is looking good on the minute in USD. It's up. Wrong tool. It's up 53% in 1 hour and 20 minutes. Less than that. Just an hour. Let's look at the buys, transactions, buyers. Lots of buyers. Decent amount of money. Look at that. 1,000 people are buying in with thousands of dollars. 500. No one's buying in with cheap. With small. It's nice. It's nice. Sellers. 7,000. 2,000. So the sell volume's higher right now. That's why. That's where all that came from. But it's going up right now. This is the minute graph. Let's look at BUSD because it's probably got a longer history. Yeah, it does. So that puts things in perspective a little better. This thing is volatile as hell against the US dollar. But against BNB, it's not too bad. Wow. It's not good against BNB. It's taking a huge dip. Okay. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Oh my God, look at this thing. I think I already did this. Let's measure it again. From here. At its peak, it was up 665% in 11 days. Right now, it's up 421% in 11 days. But in the hour reset chart, looks like it's dropping. But we've seen much bigger drop than that. And it come back up. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I'm not a financial advisor, but Green Shiba looks pretty cool to me. Star that. Green Shiba. Never even heard of it. That might be a good buy spot right here. Might be. Okay. Jam said it looks like a pump and dump. Looks like they're letting it pump. Then they're dumping and letting it pump again. Usually what they do is these tokens with a lot of FOMO, they let people FOMO into it, the price will go up, and then they'll sell, the team will sell tokens and drop it like 50%. Then they'll wait, let retail put it back up again, and then they'll sell it down another 50% or so. How much was this drop? A lot was sold. And it's just whales that enter in the beginning. It was 38% drop. but then it came right back up. $44% in 2 days. I mean, in 2 hours. So we're dealing with just a couple hours here of craziness. So in the last 12 hours, it's still up 158%. I don't know if buying right here is a good move or not. It could shoot it could keep going a lot higher. All the meme coins have been pumping like crazy. So make your own decision there. It could bounce right here. It would make sense. All right, can I check out hot? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Looking good. Looking good. It's up 136% in 53 days. Or 63% in a month. Or if you want to go balls deep, and at the peak, could have made 265% in 114 days. So it's not the biggest mover, for sure. We got a nice wick up. But that usually means some downside first, and then a move back up. See, wick up, downside, back up, wick up, downside, back up, downside, nice wick up, some downside. It should end up around the 55 cents in a couple days. Not gonna be the biggest mover, I don't think. Or do you mean hollow? I think you mean hollow. Yeah, you probably mean hollow. All right. Draws a different picture. Look at that all-time high here. Was that May? April, yeah. When Bitcoin dumped. So it's down 66% still. From the bottom right here, it's up 141% in 102 days. So that's a little over 1% a day for 100 days straight. That's not bad. Hollow chain supports Harmony and Sora and Ethereum. There's the source code. Go here and here. The source code is updated 10 hours ago, 19 hours ago, 23 hours ago, yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So it's updated all the time. This represents a whole year of activity. See? Past year of activity. So it's being developed every day. It's a good sign. The people, the developers, are real people with real names. That's good. I watched, let's watch this little short video on Holochain.
We use the internet to make plans, connect, work, and play together. The internet hosts our lives, so why do we entrust it to organizations who don't always have our best interests at heart? Most of our communications flow through centralized web servers where corporations control our online experience. They collect our information, limit our access to it, and then sell it to advertisers. And because a centralized internet concentrates power, it's vulnerable. It can be censored, hacked, and manipulated. The internet is broken.
I agree with all
But what
that.
if no one stood between you and your data, or dictated how you connect with friends, family, and community?
This is exactly what Helium's doing, and a lot of other projects are doing. See, I did a Holochain video right here. If you guys want to go and watch that, just search Crypto Lodge Holochain.
If the internet were free from central control, it would vastly expand humanity's potential for creativity and collaboration. It would change the whole game.
Jasmine's
We know
doing
this world is possible, which is why we created Holo. Holo is a community rebuilding the internet by and for the users. Rather than running our information through centralized servers like Facebook and Google, the Holo network replaces the middleman with the spare computing power from our own devices. This creates a cloud run by people like you and me, helping us to take back control of our data and online relationships. Holo does to app hosting what Airbnb did to hotels.
Let's look at what the price could possibly do. It had this massive run-up in the past. So if history repeats itself at all, we could even underestimate and say that that pump already started. That kind of matches up too. That could put us it has the power to pump 261% in 24 days. It has the potential. Will it do that? I don't know. It really could. All right, so there's let's see what is pumping on the hour again, because that's interesting to me. Things that are pumping 30% an hour. There's PlayDApp with 18, Assemble Protocol with 15 an hour, Rally with 8% an hour. Some things are pumping. Assemble has a nice uptrend. PlayDAP's going nice and flat now after making that 18% an hour. I'd say Rally at 22 million volume. Okay. Assemble Protocol at 148 million is the lowest market cap. So it could put in the most gains here in the next couple of days and months or weeks. Let's look at the top losers. ARP is down 10% in the hour. Adventure Gold, Jasby's down 3. So the biggest losers of the day, though, is Phantom is the biggest loser of the day, 9. Down 10% today. Axie Infinity, Mask, Near. Yikes. Ren, Luna, Cosmos. A lot of these are good tokens. Solana's down 5%. It's funny, it's just meme coins and game coins going up. Nobody wants the real cryptos. What's down on the week? Auctions down 15% on the week. Gitcoin could be a sleeping giant. 123 million market cap. Orion Protocol is great. I love it. It's down 10%. UMA, sleeping giant for sure, down 10%. Pancake Swap and Ren, sleeping giant, down 8%. Cardano down 8%. Under $2. Wow. Cardano really fudged their smart contract. Things. Jam Nafu said, can you teach to read charts? Yeah, I can teach you to read charts. I can do that. We would have to meet up one-on-one. Do you have a PC? Let's look what's down on the month. Cody, down 15% on the month, up lately. Flow. I'd say the best dip here is Flow. Maybe it's a higher market cap. Make Cody. It might be Cody or Enzyme. One of these three: Cody, DDX, or Enzyme Melon. Yeah, Jam, we'd have to set up a time. I don't know. I don't know how to contact you outside of YouTube. You never joined the Telegram. Zilica's let you down, been holding for months. I never touched Zilica. I mean, it's back on an uptrend a little bit. It's back up that's 101 days. Alright, yeah, it must be killing. I mean, it's up 33% this month. That's something, right? Do you have Telegram installed? You just install it. Click on this link. And when you click on that link, it'll probably give you a download link for Telegram. Either if it has a iPhone, Android, and computer app, so you could join it on anything. Talk to me on there. My name's Crypto Lodge on there, and we'll set up a time. I'll teach you how to use the tools, the indicators, and read charts, and whatever you want to know. So Ethereum hit almost 4,500. Made new all-time high. Down a little bit on the day, but you know it's going to shoot back up. Look at this nice uptrend. 67% in a month. That's good for Ethereum. And since it bottomed out after the April crash, it's up 140% in 102 days. You couldn't ask for any better than 1% a day on your investments. Like, that's really good. Thanks for saying that, Jim. I try. I wish I follow my own advice sometimes, but I'm glad you guys do. Wow. Yeah, like I said there, Bitcoin, you put back on the bands, put it back on weekly, Bitcoin could make it. See, back here, Bitcoin went 141% over the bull market support band, above the fair value, basically. If we do that again, that's 141%. If we do that again, 141% above the fair value, that puts us at $106,000. And that could happen pretty quickly, guys. It could happen pretty quick. Over 100,000. You know it's coming. We all know it's coming. Jam said, I've been holding waves. I have the most money I ever had in my life since joining crypto and subscribing to this channel. You're welcome, man. Let's bring that down to 120. So, is it still over 100? Yeah, it's 103,000. Or 99,000. All right. If Zilliqa did what it had done in the past, looks like we already started a little move similar to this one, so let's grab it from here. And even if we it's never perfect, but to get back to its all-time high here, that's just 150. That's 157% gain. So you could be looking at 177% gain within 71 days if Zilliqa pumps like it should. It's a smart contract platform. Of course, there will be dips to buy along the way. It's going to look like it's not going up sometimes, but usually always is. It's deceiving. Charts are deceiving. All right, Jam. It looks like. Let me go to my channel here. Yeah, I covered a lot that really pumped. T-share was the biggest one. I made a lot of money off that. A lot of gains. Jasmine, Coffin, Shiba Phantom, TTK I believe is going to do great. Geist. Up to 2,000% APR I'm getting on Geist. Here's a video showing how I find undervalued cryptos with this free tool. How to get airdrops. So I got some good videos. I've been posting them for a long time. TrueFi posted, a while back. Orion posted a while back. Avalanche posted a while back. Phantom posted back at 20 some cents. I was making video after video about Phantom. I even got a Phantom playlist. What do you, Jam said, what do you do in bear market? BitBoy talks about bear market. You hodl. You and buy more. You buy more in a bear market. That's what you do. You don't sell. You don't sell. Unless you're absolutely sure crypto's going to crash tonight, maybe sell half. Take profits along the way, maybe 10% off the top. Take out your initial investment. You do want to keep about 50% liquid, as in USDT, so that when and if there is a bear market, you have a huge chunk of USDT to buy the dips with. Because if you're all in with all of your extra investing money, if you're all in and the price crashes and there's a bear market, you don't have any more USDT. You're already all in. You can't buy the dip when you're already all in. TrueFi's up a lot since I posted it. T-Share's up over 1,000% since I posted it, and that was not long ago. Let's see. I think I made 2 videos about it. No, I just made this video October 27th, 3 days ago. I think a day or 2 after I bought it, and it is up like crazy. Over here on Keck, we can look at it. T-Share. Anyone watching? Anyone watching got a suggestion? Yeah, T-Share's up another. Let's let it load. 31% today. 1,375% in the month. Got a nice good dip from the top of that wick there. Got a nice good dip. It is quite a big wick though. But I'm sure this looked just as big when we were there. Yep. T-Share is up. Amazing. Even if you just got it a couple days ago, it's 59% in 2 days. 1 day and 20 hours. 277% this week. It's on Phantom Chain. You get it on Spooky Swap. And it's worth a lot now. It's 7,700 a token. I mean, the gains are ridiculous. If you go back here, this T-Share has nothing to do with Hex. It's the Coffin Finance protocol. And in 1 month, it's up 4,468%. 32 days. Quite amazing. And Baby Shiba, or no, Phantom Shiba, right here. It's up 25% today, 286% in the week. Look at that huge wick down and bought right back up. Good places to buy. Boom. mean, these things are pumping. They're just pumping. And there's some good dips. AnySwap is a great dip. Look at this. Uptrend, 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 dip. And there's no reason other than Phantom being down 9% today. Todd M. Welcome, Todd M. Todd M said, I'm not a meme coiner generally, but Crypto with James, who is generally very solid, posted 2 videos on a new anime-based meme coin called Ponyo in. So I jumped in. Only 2 days old now. Ponyo? Only 2 days old. Probably not on CoinMarketCap then. No. Newborn token 2 days ago. CoinAlpha.app. Etherscan. There's the Reddit. Crypto shill. Let's look at CoinAlpha.app. Ponyo. Ethereum. Why has it got to be Ethereum? Total supply 1 billion. It got launched 2 days ago. Like Todd just said. Cup and handle on the 4 hourly for Jasmine. So there's the cup and the handle. Cup, handle, which usually breaks to the upside, I guess. I don't see the handle. Unless you say it's starting to form. The handle would suggest a more of a drop. And then a pump up. Yeah, I don't see the handle of the teacup yet. I see the teacup. Don't see a handle. Jam Nafu said, what the freak is going on with AMP? BitBoy's always pushing AMP. It's going down. Pretty gruesomely down. That's pretty gruesome. Although this is still technically an uptrend. But it did break previous support. It did break down out of this trend line here, but that's normal. No wicks. No wicks. Let's draw a horizontal line right here. Let's see what the indicators are telling us. Lux zigzag channel. It's giving us a clear uptrend. Very small uptrend, but up nonetheless. See that? It's going to take a long, at that speed, it's going to take a long time. So Lux expects the price to bounce like that. Let's turn off zigzag. Let's look at the buy and sell. There's a sell signal right now. This is this one is a pretty accurate indicator. I don't use Coinbase wallet, Jamnafu, but there's nothing wrong with it at all. It's actually a good wallet. I use Metamask and paper, seed phrases on paper. Adada said yes, the cup of handle's starting to form. Okay, okay. I see the beginning of it, yes. Todd M. James said he talked to the devs. He's the guy who called Phantom when it was 1 or 2 cents. Right, right. Yeah, my first Phantom video was 8 cents. Jim Nafu, when I hit in crypto, I want to get stoned and watch Northern Lights. Yeah. The real Northern Lights. I want to go up to Canada, British Columbia, and see the real Northern Lights. So AMP here, it's on an uptrend. Let's put it on log so you can see that a little better. It's on an uptrend. It's up 1,478% in just less than a year, just shy than a year. That's not bad at all. If you bought it last year, not bad at all. But kind of sucks if you bought it anywhere in the last 265 days. You're kind of in nowhere land, just flat. No, from that peak to here, same price. Only way you might have made a little money is if you bought it down at one of these points, but you're almost just breaking even at that point. Actually, that's a 90% move. If I'm right on the wick, it's a 77% move in 157 days. So AMP's been I mean, it's good gains compared to the stock market, but this is no stock market. We expect a lot more out of crypto. GM Nafu, when I hit in crypto, oh yeah, I read that already. Adada, how do you handle the gas fees on MetaMask? I don't use Ethereum. I don't use Ethereum mainnet. I use Phantom and Binance. See Phantom Opera? Everything is about less than a penny per transaction. Everything is less than a penny per transaction. And Smart Chain, Binance, PancakeSwap, everything is like 2 cents a transaction of BNB. So I never use Ethereum mainnet unless I have to use it for some sort of for something that I need to use the Ethereum mainnet for. But mainly I stay in Phantom land and BSC land. Can you, Jam Nafu said, can you check VFO or Neo? Do you like Clover Finance? I'm sure I looked at Clover. I'm going to have to look again. Clover offers seamless multi-chain indexing across Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot. Users can search through blocks, transactions. That's cool. A foundational layer for cross-chain compatibility. Cool. They got a testnet developer incentive program. Their GitHub is probably very active. Simultaneously navigate and transact with major networks all in one overview. That's cool. It's like Trust Wallet. It's like Trust Wallet. But with developer API. So that's cool. It's got its own blockchain. Clover is its own blockchain. Updated yesterday, 6 days ago, 12 days ago, 16. So, okay, they're not updating it a lot. They have an Ethereum virtual machine, a pure Rust implementation of the EVM. That's good. That means anything built on Ethereum can be ported over to Clover. Docs, SushiSwap, an open source interface for the SushiSwap protocol on Clover, where transaction fees are probably really cheap. I'm looking for the actual, here's the substrate, the platform for blockchain that's updated September 30th. They're not updating it as often as I'd like. Here's the actual Clover protocol. Last updated September 23rd. Maybe it doesn't need a lot of updating. But let's take a look at this. Operating system parachain on the Polkadot network. Here you'll find both high-level and technical information for developers, collaborators, users, and other Clover network participants. The site will be updated as Clover evolves. Clover is a substrate-based Polkadot parachain. Clover is committed to providing easy-to-use blockchain infrastructure and creating a one-stop comprehensive infrastructure platform which aims to reduce the threshold and cost for developers while bringing them great returns. Blockchain operating system. Clover is a BOS, blockchain operating system, which contains a storage layer, smart contract layer, DeFi protocol layer, and eApp layer. In details, with the eApp layer, external app developers can build and deploy their eApp easily on Clover without the need for machines, domain names, or network bandwidth. Cool. Built on Substrate. That's great. I like it. Clover app development. All sorts of good documentation. Web3 compatibility. I like it. Like it a lot. It's on Coinbase, correct? I do believe it is. Yep. Tradable on Coinbase, 128 million market cap. That is so low. And the price has been trading quite flat. Look at that. All-time high was $42, and now it's $1. It's up 13% in a month. Down 9% in a week. Down 5% today. It's got very little volume. But I like it. Did I not earn that yet? I probably did. Yeah, take advantage of all the Coinbase earns. Yeah, I like Clover Finance. Can you check VSO or NEO? Got a sell signal here on the day. It's up 135% in 101 days. Or 27% in a month. This could fly. It looks like it does not look like a crash. This was obviously April when the market crashed. And it's made a it's making a clean move. There's a buy signal on the 4-hour. These signals are always, pretty much always right. I've rarely seen them wrong. Let's check the 1 hour. Buy signal on the 1 hour. It was right. 8% in a day. Lost all those gains. VTHO can totally make its way back up to some really good levels. But we're looking at a couple months. And even 5 cents is a crazy gain. 500%. Could take a couple months, but VTHO is a great a great protocol. So I think it's going to bounce back. And on the 15-minute, got a sell signal. Boy, that's got to have a buy signal soon, because it is pumping in the past couple hours. It's up. Oh, it's only up 3% in 45 minutes, but that's a lot. People in the stock market hope for 0.5% a day. I do like Harvest Finance. I think that will keep pumping. It's extremely low cap. It's backed by Coinbase. And looks like VTHO, you know, wants to get back up there. And if we go to the weekly, we got a buy signal on the weekly. So I expect this to make another leg up and pass all-time high up to 350. About 350. Or if we move like we did in the past, which it looks like we're entering another bull run like that. Let's say let's just underestimate a little. That was some incredible gains coming if it makes these legs up. You always got to make these a little shorter to account for the heck. To account for diminishing returns. So could be as high as, wow. Even if it just, geez, you could make, VTHO could really explode right now. And it would put in a lot of gains. It must be very low market cap. I do like Lisk. Lisk is a great developer. It has great developer tools. It's a great developer suite. I do like Lisk. Yeah, you should hold your VTHO long term. That's a bright idea. Zilliqa. Yeah, if anyone wants to join the chat, it's t.me/thecryptolodge. I put the link in the description. And look at ETH. About to put in a new all-time high. Take it off log. You can see. About to hit price discovery mode again. I don't like Bitcoin forks, Jam. No, I don't. What time is it? 1:30. I want to check. What is it? Yeah, over at PooCoin. I'm gonna check. Connect wallet. Metamask. PooCoin supports Trust Wallet. Yeah, PooCoin supports Trust Wallet. Let's see if Eternal Minds, what are they doing? Crypto Minds, it's a game. It's been suffering. But the price is on an uptrend. Pew. Gamer just bought this. Just bought it back here. Barely any gains. If I would have bought it down here, it'd have been quite a bit of gains. But it's just a waiting game. You wait. We'll all get our pump. Yeah, that would be a 54% gain if I'd bought it down there, but what is this, a 2% gain? Not even. 3%, up 3%. Any swaps on a great dip today? I always pick up any swap. I wish I had seen that dip. But this is just because Phantom went down 9% today. But as you can see, any swap's been on the rise for a long time. Way longer than you'd think. So I bought more here, bought more here, bought way back. I buy it all the time. Usually not on VSC though. I got most of my any over on Phantom. T-share, just the biggest gainer. Look at that. Bought it right there on BSC. I don't know if it's the same coin. But that's a 10% gain, 11% gain in 2 days. And it just keeps going up. T-share just keeps going up. I'm not sure it's the same as T-share. over on Keck. Because it's gone up a lot more over on Keck. So it's part of Tomb Finance. It's up 34% today, another 2.3% in the hour, and you're reading this right, folks. It's been on quite the uptrend. Volatile, but up. Can you check? Wow, Jam. Audius is the next Spotify. I think Audius has a terrible interface. I don't know about that. Sandbox is pumping. Yes, sir. Mana is going crazy. Yes, sir. All the metaverses are going crazy. Do I like Bake Token? Bakery. It's been pretty much dumping. I never checked out the website or anything. Trade your favorite NFTs. Connect to a wallet, BSC. I got some NFTs. I found some free NFTs on this website. They were listed for $0. I think someone was trying to give them to somebody for free, and I just went in there and grabbed them. Create. No, I want to actually bring one in from my... actually want to post one of mine. Trade. Let's see what the ROIs are here. They're loading. Yeah, Baby Harmony. Baby Harmony's great. I'm holding that. Yeah, Baby Harmony's been going up. But way down from when I bought it. But you do earn rewards in the one token. I have 0.151 Harmony 1 so far. And I only bought a couple bucks worth of, look at, I think I bought $20 worth of Baby Harmony, and now I have $11.95 worth. And this obviously is not the same T share, because it says it's only $3.33. That's not right. Jam said I would like a Goku NFT. Yeah, that'd be. I'm sure there are. I'm sure they're coming. I'm sure Dragon Ball Z is. Look at PooCoin up to $2.80. PooCoin's been pumping without my knowledge. Look at this. I use this app all the time. And I've always seen PooCoin price remain around the same. It's up 87% in 2 days and 10 hours. It's ridiculous. It basically flat and down for the longest time. See that? And then boom, just shot off without any warning. Let's put it on the daily so I can show you guys how that really was a big pump for such the downtrend that it's been on. I mean, people got rich when PooCoin first launched. Cause let's see, it went up 595% in 16 days. So this is nothing right here. It's 96% in 3 days. But I'd say if it makes it past If it makes it past here, actually a little higher. If it comes above that, bounces off of it, and goes up, I'll enter a position. Because there's a good reason to hold PooCoin to unlock some pretty great features here. Same with Keck.tools. Yeah, everything's looking pretty green. Especially my Phantom. Gems. Except RIP, I think, is down. Phantom Doge. Yeah, 30% today, 10% in the hour, but it's still up 273% in the week. I don't know if it shows my purchase here. No, it doesn't on Keck. It doesn't show you your buys on the chart. I wish it did. But I'm not sure if this is a pump and dump. It's up. That was up 1,000% in 3 days. Dropped 87% in 16 hours. 65% in 2 days. I see it going back up. It's a meme coin. It's Phantom Doge. I'm more bullish on Phantom Shiba. Homepage. It's Shiba Swap, but with Phantom mainnet, so cheap gas fees, like 2 cent or under a cent gas fees. So I assume Shiba is gonna keep pumping because people love Shiba Swap. Where was I? Shiba. Boom. Guy's coming back up a little. Nah. There's T-share. Moving back up on the minute. Good. That's what I want to see. Up 2% in the hour. I don't think you could stop T-share. It's been going forever. It's not a meme coin. Jam Nafu said I need to start using KuCoin. Yeah, you do. But Phantom Shiba is not on KuCoin. It's on Spooky Swap or Spirit Swap. It's on Phantom. The Phantom gems are not on KuCoin. They're only on Spooky Swap, Spirit Swap, the Phantom mainnet swaps. So now we're getting mostly sell here on T-share, but price is still going up. All right. You know what I like? Circulating supply is 59,000. And total supply is 59,000. So every single one of the tokens is in circulation. And there's only 60,000 tokens. That's why it's $7,820 per each one. Brick Dorsey, where do we get those sell buy indicators? I do offer to teach. I should post videos on how to use certain things like this. But join the Telegram, t.me/thecryptolodge. I wouldn't move on from Phantom in my opinion. It's just a dip. Remember, this is not Hex T-Share. This is Tomb Finance T-Share. What was I just about to type in and where? Oh, yeah. Rick Dorsey, join the Crypto Lodge Telegram. You too, Jam. And I'll offer private sessions to teach you guys how to read charts, how to use the indicators, how to make the indicators. All free. All the indicators are free. What else? What else? $661 subscribers, not too bad. 5 people watching. Thumbs up and hit the bell icon and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Almost every coin I talk about's been pumping like crazy. You really don't want to miss out. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't follow my own advice. I'll admit my mistakes. Can you check waves? I'm joining once stream ends. Oh, the Telegram, okay. I would move on from Hex. The market cap is way too big for it to put in the gains like it used to. And Richard Hart is so focused on Pulse Chain, and he owns 90% of the Hex. I think it might be the mother of all dumps at any point. Let's look at the Hex chart. I think I heard whispers on YouTube saying it was doing pretty good. But it will never be on a centralized exchange. Let's see. It's down a lot this week. It's down. Sell. Sell. I bet if we put that on the daily. Yeah, sell all the way back there many days ago. So it peaked here at $50. Now it's back down to 21. It peaked here at $51. Now it's back down to 21. That's over 50% reduction. Yeah, that's a 60% drop in Hex. And if it were to continue to go up, I don't know, you're looking at it maybe 150% gains in 3 or 4 months. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I think this is gonna fall a little further than that. Let's pull up the weekly reset chart and see how far extended. Ooh, not good. Hex dropped below the bull market support band. It's going to spend a lot of time under here now, and then it's going to have to come back above it, test it, and hold it as support, and then maybe I'll be bullish on Hex, but it's about to drop more. It's about to drop more because it technically didn't close the week under the support band, but I think this one's going to, because on the day it does not look good. Does not look good. Let's bring up support and resistance levels. So we got some support here at 10 cents. It's probably where we're going back to, 10 cents. Not too far away from where we are, 20 cents, another 50% drop. This might be the crash, I don't know. But Hex chart never, Hex chart has always been beautiful. But it recently started fucking dumping. Look at this. I showed you, that's a 60% drop. Brickdoor, see. I will jump in there, thank you. Since you brought up Hex, is it a hold or a move on? Move on. Mind said, I know we're in a bull run, yet I'm wondering how high Decentraland is gonna go before it drops. This is insane. I would just stay away from Decentraland and focus on the other coins. Don't buy pumps. Don't buy into pumps. Unless you got a reason to believe that it's gonna keep pumping. I think these metaverses might pump for a couple, people want their profit. People want their profit, and they're gonna take it when these pumps happen. So let's look at Mana and see when it might stop. That's insane. Enough people probably already took their profit. That's an insane move for Mana. We got to put that on logarithmic. Insane move. In the past. That is up 285% in 4 days. So the market cap 3x'd in 4 days. And of course, buy a signal, bullwick, bullwick, bullwick. Let's play a fun game here. Let's put on the zigzag channel. I don't think it has enough data to give us an answer here. Take it off log. Alright. That's a nice trajectory it's painting, isn't it? Woo! It's shooting us at $10. But that's gonna take a long time. According, this is just an indicator. It's nothing more. It's not gonna take over a year to go up another 300%. I mean, it'll probably, who knows? I never really liked Decentraland. I think the graphics suck. I think they haven't really been improving much. I like Blocktopia. Now they got a great metaverse. I bought a bunch of Blocktopia. Let's see how Block's doing now. I bought it late. I bought it today. Bought it way late. I bought it today. Phantom. Phantom's it's not doing too bad. It just looks bad. It's just a dip. Phantom's not over. We've had dips bigger than this. Look at that. And do we have a sell signal yet? Nope. We're still running off this buy signal from way back. No sell signal in sight. So Lux Algo has considered Phantom a buy with no indication in the algorithm to sell for 103 days, and it's up 1,510% in those 103 days. It was up 2,000% in 99 days, ever since the buy indicator from Luxalgo, a free one. I'll show you guys how to use all of this stuff in private sessions. Join the Telegram, t.me/CryptoLodge, and just ask me for private sessions. I'm usually, I can make myself available. That's, you know, a convenient time for both of us. Jam, I know you want it. Anyone else who wants it, I will help you. It's not financial advice, of course. It's just helping you read charts and detect pumps and recognize patterns, among other things. Sentiment analysis. I'm really a book of information up here. You know, just an hour of my time picking my brain could be very valuable. I actually do that a couple times a week. I do consultations. People just want to talk to me and learn about crypto. Anyhoozle, this stream's getting pretty long. What time is it? And I want to talk to you guys in the Telegram before I gotta run in 45 minutes. So I'm gonna end the stream here. Anybody still watching, anyone that is watching this later and watched it to the end, my only currency here is thumbs up, subscribe, and bell notification. I also have a donation address in the description. You can send any kind of token on any blockchain that is Metamask supported with the same address right there. So, like the video, hit the bell, subscribe if you like the content. If not, don't worry about it. Go watch Bitboy or Ben Cohen or Coin Bureau. These are good channels. Good channels out there. I'll see you guys in Telegram. t.me/thecryptolodge. Thanks for watching.